Guys, so today we're going to be doing our sheet metal conversion tool. I'm going to show you how to convert from a solid to a sheet metal. I'm going to show you how to do the flattening, and I'm going to show you how to do the edge rips and the bends on the part that you're using. Cool. Thanks guys. Enjoy. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt your video. I just wanted to ask you, please hit the like and subscribe button. It's going to make it easier for me to share my content with you guys in the future, and it will make it so that you don't miss anything. Cool. Okay, so before we can do our sheet metal, we need to do a standard part. So before we can convert to sheet metal, we have to say sketch, 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 draw our solid part first. So all we're going to do is draw a block. Okay, we're going to say 300 by 300. Okay, so okay. We're going to say extrude. Then we're going to go say 30 mils. Okay, we're going to say okay. Now, to convert from solid to sheet metal, all we have to do is we go application, we click sheet metal, we say, so now you've got two options. If it's something like this, you would go shell because we're going to turn it into a box. But if you had gone driving surface, it will take this as a flat plate. So you can choose, even if it is bent in the whole story, you can use driving surface as long as it's already shelled. But if you need to shell it still, then you're going to have to use the shell feature. If you use driving surface, it's going to take it as in, okay, it's already bent in the form it needs to be. You can add bends later, but that's the difference between the two. The one that needs to be shelled or already in a sheet metal form, and then shell, you're obviously going to shell the product into a sheet metal form. So for instance, if I say driving surface now and I selected the top here, it's going to say it's a 30 mil thick plate. Okay, but if I go shell, well, let's just do this, do that, we'll go undo, we're going to say application sheet metal. Now if you go shell and I click on any one of these surfaces and I say okay, done, and ask me for a thickness. So say we make it 3 millimeter thick, and I say okay, there's your box. Okay, now as you see, your menus have changed now because now you're in sheet metal. So very simple. But now the only thing you need to know now is, now that you're in sheet metal and you have your box, okay, we need to convert these edges to bends, and you're going to need to rip the edges. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go here to our menu over here. We're going to say conversions. We're going to say bends. We're going to say define. Okay, we're going to click on every corner that we want to turn into a sheet metal bend. Okay, that one, that one, that one. You don't have to use control here to select these edges. You can just click on them. That one. Okay, we say okay. If we want to remove any of those edges, we can click on it again and say remove. So for instance, if I click there and I say remove, and then there I say okay, there I can remove it there. As you can see there, I can remove that one. Done. Now that one is removed. Okay, now if I want to add again, I say add, select that edge, and it's selected again. Say okay, cool. Now we've selected our bend edges. We're going to say done. We're going to say preview so we can see. Okay, and we can go back. We can go back to our bends and say define. There are your bends. Those are your 4 edges that you selected. You can pick per piece, you can select all, and then we can say done. Okay. Say done sets because we don't want to add, we don't want to remove, we're happy, we done sets. Okay. Now we say okay because now we're happy with our bends. Okay, but now I can't flatten this because why? Because these edges are still solid. So what do? We go back to our conversion over here and we say edge rip and we say define, and again we're going to click on that edge, we're going to click on that edge, we're going to click on this one, and we're going to say every single one that needs to be broken apart basically. We're going to select those. Okay, then we say okay, we say done sets, say preview, we'll show you like that, and we say okay. Simple. Now if you want to flatten this, that's very easy. But if you didn't want to use the conversion over there, you can also do, if you go over here, which is your relief tab, we can go rip, then we can say regular rip, edge rip, sorry, say done. We can select our edges, no, not that one, that one, that one, and that one. Okay, now we've got our edges, we say okay, we say done, say preview, and we say okay. Very simple. Okay, so look, you can also, if you want to see what it looks like flat, all you do is edit, we go setup, we go flat state over here, we go create, say flat. Now it's asking you, is it fully formed or is it flattened in the state that it's in now? So obviously it's fully formed, it's not fully flat. So if it was fully flat, we wouldn't be in this menu. So we're going to say fully formed. Okay. Now it's asking you for fixed geometry. So what geometry, which part of this needs to stay still and which parts need to go flat. So fixed geometry, the part that's not going to move, we're going to select the centerpiece here. And we're going to say preview. And then it'll give you like that. And if we say okay, if we now go show over here, click on there, and there is your flat state. Okay, very easy, very simple, and necessary. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. This is everything you need to know to convert from a solid to a sheet metal part. Follow the rest of the videos. We will be doing parts of the sheet metal process in every video. Thanks guys. Hey guys, quick favor, if this video helped you, tap like. It tells YouTube my content is worth showing to more people. And hit subscribe if you want more quick tutorials, tips and real engineering tricks for Creo. More videos dropping every week. Have a great one guys.